You always get the best possible performance from this Dyson cordless vacuum cleaner, which is full of clever tech. Move between surfaces seamlessly and enjoy spectacular results in every room thanks to the convenient dynamic load sensor technology. It gives you the same outstanding results on carpets as it does on hard floors, automatically optimizing the suction to suit whatever it's cleaning. There's no need for stopping and starting, allowing you to clean the house in one go thanks to a runtime of up to 60 minutes. It keeps you updated on its performance as you go, as well as letting you know the remaining runtime on the LCD screen.